everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to chat with DoorDash support. If you're looking for a way to chat with the DoorDash support team, then you can follow these simple steps. First of all, open a web browser and type in DoorDash.com inside the URL box. Make sure to log into your DoorDash account if necessary. After signing in, from the main homepage, click on the menu button at the top left-hand corner, which will then expand the pop-up menu. Once you see this interface, click on the help button. If you need help with something other than the order, you can click on this chat now button at the bottom right. Follow the prompts to initiate the chat, select one of your queries from the list, and you will be connecting with the DoorDash customer support representative. So that is how you should be able to chat with DoorDash support. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you will never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.